Bonjour and hello everybody. This is Deepti, Directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. I welcome you to another episode on Happy Learning French. And today's topic is le futur simple. Le futur simple is nothing but the future tense. Future tense or le futur simple is used to express an action that will begin, will happen or end in the future. Let's look at the formation of future simple. Formation. It is formed by adding the verb avoir to the infinitive form of the action verb. Let's see them on screen. For the verbs ending with er, for example, parler, to speak, je parlerai, tu parleras, il parlera, elle parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront, elles parleront. Verbs ending with ir. For example, finir, to finish. Je finirai, tu finiras, il finira, elle finira, nous finirons, vous finirez, ils finiront, elles finiront. However, there is a slight change for verbs ending with re. We remove the e and add the conjugaison of the verb avoir to complete it in future tense. For example, répondre, to reply or to answer. Je répondrai, tu répondras, il répondra, elle répondra, nous répondrons, vous répondrez. Ils répondront, elles répondront. Voila! Now we are all set to construct sentences in the future simple. Verbs ending with er. Je parlerai en français dans 3 mois. I will speak in French in 3 months. Verbs ending with er. Vous finirez les tâches à l'heure? Will you finish the tasks on time? Verbs ending with re. Elles répondront aux questions. They will answer to the questions. Note to remember, there are some irregular verbs as well, where the base or the radical of the verb will be different. Être. Je serai là dans 10 minutes. I will be there in 10 minutes. Avoir. Tu auras un examen après le cours. You will have an exam after your course. Aller, il ira en France cette année. He will go to France this year. Faire. Elle fera le plan demain. She will make the plan tomorrow. Pouvoir. Nous pourrons rencontrer le directeur la semaine prochaine. We will be able to meet the director the next week. Savoir. Vous saurez comment conjuguer au futur. You will know how to conjugate in the future tense. Devoir. Ils devront partir ce soir. They will be obliged to leave this evening. Recevoir. Elles recevront leur certificat pendant la convocation. They will receive their certificates during the convocation. For the complete list of the irregular verbs, please download the free PDF, the link you will find in the description box. And this we conclude with le futur simple. Hope you've understood and enjoyed this video. For feedback, please comment at the bottom. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Here and Now the French Institute. Keep watching us for more such content. Until then, this is Deepti signing off for Here and Now the French Institute. Au revoir and happy learning French.